Hi all, Ankit Kisore this side from Straight Fleet team and welcome back to my channel. I have taken the position and this is a strangle of 500 points, which is a very far OTM options. Okay, so I am playing really risk drop today, but still I am carrying what a risk of 5 points at max, 5-6 points. So in total it will come around what 6 points from now, or I will increase the quantity as well. Okay, it's not like that I will keep on trading with this one. I just took entry with this much of lots quantities only because in the first of what is happening from the past few days, VIX is rising a lot. Okay, so I don't want to get burned in the initial 5-10 minutes only, which is happening with me in the past 2 days. Okay, so this time I'm playing really safe. As of now I made use of just 20 lakhs and still there are few lakhs left, and today I will add capital also in this account. सो I might add this right now only. So जैसे ही भी ऐड करूँगा तो उसके बाद मैं और भी क्वांटिटी लूँगा, and after that also I can take margin benefit also, but let's see if this will work fine. I'm not, today is Tuesday, I'm not looking for anything big profit. Okay, anything between 4-6 points will be a good profit for me. You know that I play the least on Monday and then Tuesday, okay, and then Friday and then Wednesday and then Thursday. This is how I play. Means on Thursday I play the most riskiest way, and after then Wednesday, then Friday, then Monday and Tuesday, then Tuesday and Wednesday, sorry, Monday. Okay, so I don't like to play a lot on Monday and Tuesday, and this is the reason why I'm playing with very small quantities, and I will keep on having this, and I've told you how much point I'm looking for now. और अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं कि वेट, हाँ, अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं कि इसमें ये निफ्टी में मेरा एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट क्या होगा, तो मैं इस पर नहीं बताऊंगा, मैं आपको इससे ही बताता हूँ. मेरा एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट होगा जैसे ये 31 ये सब क्रॉस करेगा, तो फिर मैं इसे स्विच कर मैं इसे कन्वर्ट कर दूंगा 18050 पे. ओके, सो ये मेरा प्लान है अभी के लिए. और आपको मैं अपना वो अकाउंट भी दिखाता हूँ. दिस वन इज़ व्हाट इज़ ITC ट्रेड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो अभी 10K का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, मैं इसे अभी बुक ही करने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, विथ अनदर 500 रुपीज़ लाइक दैट. ओके, मैं इसके बाद इसे बुक करूँगा और इस अकाउंट का ट्रेड हो गया, अब इससे ज़्यादा इस पर नहीं करना है. ओके, सो आई विल गिव यू अपडेट लेटर ऑन. ओके देन, क्विक अपडेट. टाइम इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 10 and as of now running profit is 3 points, 3.2 points like that. Okay, and the fund used is 24 lakh. I have told you that I will put a little more money, but I will add on a little more above that also. I have just added 6 lakh right now, और अभी भी मैं और भी लॉट ले सकता हूँ because still I have 9 lakhs left, but now I won't be taking any extra what is this quantity. Yeah, so I will just look for points here, and I have told you that I'm looking for 5 to 6 point at max, 4 to 6-7 points, and running profit is 4 points almost. So let's see how much more I can get from here. If I will get another 2 points from here, that will be a cherry on top for me, and I will book that right there. I won't be looking anything more than that. I have told you this. Okay, so let's see, this was just an update on this. I will give you a update later on. Okay guys, so a final update. I booked everything as 3.2K profit, means almost 3 points. So see, at a point of time I was up by 6500 like that, means 6 point in profit, and from there I kept trailing as well of 3 points. Means as it when I will be down by 3 points from there, I will simply exit the trade, and that's what I did. From 6.5K, 6.7K, when I came back to 3K, I booked it right there, and I got an exit at 3.2K. That's completely good. Okay, so today actually I kept my sizing quite low. Okay, you know this, I was just trading with 1100 quantities. Okay, and the reason was quite simple. मैं हर बार बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि I play the least on Monday and Tuesday, and the same is what I'm doing. Okay, और मुझे मंडे और ट्यूसडे को मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस इतना नहीं आता टू ट्रेड, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई कीप माई क्वांटिटी वेरी लो. बिकॉज इफ़ for any person I am suggesting this, if you are not willing to take a big risk, you don't have to trade in big quantity, because you at the same time you can't think of big profit, right? So the same this applies to everyone, this applies to me as well, and this is why I was keeping everything low, because I was not willing to give big risk. So yeah, completely okay, more or less 3.2K profit, and at a point of time it was good, running good. And from there, when I told you that I will be looking for 5-6 points of profit, and 6 points is what I got. But from there I was keeping trailing SL of 3 points. Okay, okay, above that I will keep on holding this, as in when 3 points of SL will get hit, I will take the exit. And why I took the exit, look at this fall. This fall has spiked the call put premium, yeah, this one. Okay, and how this spiked from almost 20 rupees, it has spiked to 27 at a point of time. Okay, अभी ये 26 पे चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर मैं इसका चार्ट दिखाऊँ आपको, see दिस हैज स्पाइक टू, आई टोल्ड यू राइट, 27 रुपीज़। तो यहाँ पे इसने मुझे एक लॉस दिया, यहाँ पे 20 चल रहा था, अगर आप देखो तो 2 ही कैंडल पे इसने 27 का हाई टच किया, जिसके कारण ये मुझे 3 पॉइंट्स का लॉस दिया। ऑल्दो आई ट्राई टू कवर दिस फ्रॉम सी बाई स्विचिंग फ्यू लॉट्स टू 18050 सी, but that didn't work quite well, but it's completely okay. Okay, it was a more or less good day for me. Okay, that's all from my end, and I hope you like this thing, and if you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.